Who doesn't like free, right? Click on a challenge button and subscribe to my free 30-day real estate investing video challenge. Every day you'll get a video on how I built my business doing nearly a deal per day. It's 2.5 hours of industrial strength training. Hey there, this is Peter Vekselman. So today I want to talk to you about the importance of having the right infrastructure in place. You know, some of you are doing one deal here and there. It's not really consistent. It's not very predictable. It just, whenever it happens, it happens. And that's okay. Now, for those of you, you really do not need to have too much infrastructure in place. But there's a number of you that are watching this that are doing consistent amount of deals, whether it's investment deals, whether it's retail deals, and there's absolutely consistency in your business. And I will tell you, one way to absolutely go backwards, if you have any consistency, is not have the right infrastructure in place. See, not having the right infrastructure in place causes a tremendous amount of problems. Number one, it forces you to spend time in areas you really don't need to be spending time. Number two, not having the right infrastructure in place, it gives your business a lot of unpredictable things that can happen. You know, if there's not systems set up, if there's not procedure set up, you really don't know what's going to happen on a daily basis. You know, a deal may be going one way, it may be going another way. You don't have the files set up the right way. You don't have your all the documents set up the right way. Next thing you know, you spend 3 to 4 hours chasing for something that really, if you had the infrastructure set up, you would not have had to do. So where I'm doing this video from today, this is where our infrastructure for our real estate agents. As you guys know, in our new model, we've combined a traditional brokerage with a traditional real estate investment company. And so now we have tons of agents. We have 20 plus agents. And this right here is where their support comes from. You know, right behind me, you see Robin over there, you see Amanda over there, and that's what they're doing. They're helping our agents. So our agents don't get tied up in doing paperwork every day. So our agents don't get tied up in like, okay, how do I do my, open house? Or so our agents don't get tied up in, well, where do I run my appointments? We have a whole office behind here where we coordinate our agents' appointments and all that. So the more infrastructure you have in place, the more systems you have in place, the easier it is for you. And I will tell you this, if you have people involved in your business, like other negotiators or agents or construction people or, agents or closing attorneys, if there's people involved in your business, at that point you absolutely, positively need to have the infrastructure set up to handle them and help the business move forward. So this is part of our infrastructure right here. I want you to look at your business. If you have consistency involved, if you're doing a number of deals consistently, you better have some infrastructure set up. And if you don't, you better figure out a way to do it, because the wrong infrastructure could literally make you go backwards, and the right infrastructure will absolutely propel your business further along than you think is possible to do without having them in place. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in the Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link, coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.